If you've been searching for the best portable easel to start painting outdoors, or a display easel that's actually lightweight, stable, and doesn't take more than 10 minutes to set up, I think I might have found it for you. So about a year ago, KraftGeek sent me their foldable and portable easel. What they claim to be an on-plane air easel for adults or a display easel. Well, after a year of using it, here's what you need to know about it. Out of the box, this is one of the most compact, lightweight aluminum easels I have ever tested. It weighs just under 4 pounds and folds down to right around 20 inches, which is small enough to slip into any backpack or any travel carry-on. If you've ever searched for a travel easel that easily fits into luggage, this is it. No separate bag required. Assembly is where this thing really shines. It is a no assembly easel. Right there, you've got a tabletop easel. And when you're all done, just simply fold it back into place. I mean, like, what did that take? Less than 3 seconds? The legs can extend and adjust from 19.8 inches all the way up to 65 inches tall, which is perfect for most artists out there. Some key features that stand out to me is the very sturdy construction and compact, elegant design that this thing has. When you're holding it in your hands, it just feels heavy duty, which is super nice. The compact design is perhaps one of the best I have ever seen. In fact, it actually might be the best I've ever seen. This thing kicks the crap out of my other portable easel. In fact, actually, let me go show you really quick. Come on, almost there. Yeah, this thing was marketed as easily portable and travel ready. Begone, junk! I also have these little portable wooden ones that are not too bad, but you'll see in a moment how they just don't stack up for certain things. Stability on uneven ground is awesome due to these non-slip silicone pads on all 3 telescoping legs. Plus the horizontal scale markers make sure that your legs are always balanced and that your canvas is level. A lot of other lightweight easels can be very wobbly or have slippery bottoms, which just doesn't work well for when you're painting outside. If you've ever painted outside, you know exactly what I'm talking about. This easel also has built-in canvas hooks. It has 2 stability hooks down here at the bottom and 1 spring-loaded extending canvas clamp here at the top to give you more stability while you're painting outside and just to hold your canvas nice and snug. At the bottom of the easel, it could be a little hard to see, I'll do a close-up shot for you, is a bottom tool hook, perfect for hanging your artist bag that contains your brushes, palettes, colors, jar of water, right on the easel directly. It's a huge quality of life feature when you don't have anything near you like a table to rest your supplies on. You know what? The hook actually also allows you to hang extra weight, giving you more stability while you paint outside too. At the top of the easel, you have a 1/4-inch screw mount, which is great for attaching things like your phone, a small ring light, or your camera if you plan on filming your painting process for YouTube or social media. When painting, it can hold canvases over 11 inches wide and up to 24 inches tall, supporting up to 11 pounds. But when you just use it for a display easel, it can actually hold way larger canvases because I've done that in the past. And of course, when you're all done painting or displaying for the day, it just easily folds up just like that. It also comes in 4 different colors: white, black, oak, and walnut, which is what I have. So what's bad about this easel? Honestly, nothing except for maybe one thing. This easel is generally around $130, which seems like a lot of money to me. I mean, I actually genuinely got sticker shock when I found that out. There's nothing really to compare it to. The cheap travel outdoor easels that are right around 60 bucks are just complete crap, as I showed you earlier. And if you want an awesome outdoor easel, you're gonna have to pay like way up for one, for like a Pochade box or an on-plane air easel. And those start right around $300 and go all the way up to $1,000. This easel is worth it to you if you're looking for one of the most elegant portable display easels, or if you want to start doing outdoor painting and you're a beginner. That's who I would recommend this for. When it comes to being a display easel, there's no question, this thing is a 10 out of 10. When you look at it for an outdoor easel for beginners, it's right around an 8 out of 10. But if you're an advanced outdoor painter, I would say steer clear and pay up for something better for you and your talents. Bottom line, the KraftGeek Portable Easel is one of the most versatile, lightweight portable easels or displays for new painters. If you want to get one, you can do me a huge favor and use the links down in the video description below for the best time and place to buy yours. By the way, those links do help me out, so thank you very much. Now, perhaps you're interested in buying one of those big H easels from a company like US Art Supply or Miden. Well, then you're gonna wanna take a look at the video over to my side so you know what to look out for and more importantly, not to waste your money on. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in that video over there. Peace.